I have already established some theoretic formulas, trigonometry, higher trigonometry. So I have established earlier videos that sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A multiplied sine B, and cos A plus B, I will establish it that it will be cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. So what will be the value of sine A minus B? What will be its value? So we can write down it in this way: sine A minus B or sine A plus minus B. It means that here B is replaced by minus B, then it will be sine A cos minus B plus cos A sine minus B. Then we will have sine A minus B is equal to sine A. We have to remember that sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, and cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Since in fourth quadrant cos is positive and sine is negative in fourth quadrant, so that's why we will have this result. So we can put this sine A, this will be cos B. Here we will get minus sine. In fourth quadrant sine is negative, so we will have minus cos A sine B. So this is the formula of sine A minus B: sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Now if we wish to find out cos A minus B, then how we can find out? In similar way you can find out cos A minus B, cos A plus minus B, and B is replaced by minus B. Then we will have cos A multiply cos minus B minus sine A multiply sine minus B, and this will be cos A cos B. Again cos is negative positive in fourth quadrant, and here we will get sine is in fourth quadrant positive negative, so this negative sign comes out, it will be plus sine A sine B. So this is the value of cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Now if we wish to find out sine 2 theta, what will be the value of sine 2 theta? Here in the first case, first formula and the second formula. So in the first formula we will put A is equal to theta and B is equal to theta, and we will get sine theta plus theta, which will be sine theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta. So we'll have sin 2 theta is equal to 2 into sin theta cos theta. So this is our another formula of sin 2 theta will be 2 sin theta cos theta. Now if we wish to find out cos 2 theta, then what will be the value of cos 2 theta? Again we will put A is equal to theta and B is equal to theta. Now in formula 2, so this will be cos theta plus theta is equal to cos theta multiply cos theta minus sin theta multiply sin theta. So we'll have cos square theta minus sin square theta. So this is the formula of cos 2 theta. Now this can be also changed in another forms, like we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So if we use this formula, this can be changed in this way. Cos square theta will be 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. So this will be 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And also you can change it in this way. Cos 2 theta we have found out cos square theta minus sin square theta. So this can be written down cos square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta. So this will be minus minus plus, this will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this form is also important to solve many trigonometric problems. Now we wish to know what will be 10a plus b. This is our third formula using first and second. So 10a plus b can be written down in this way: sin a plus b by cos a plus b sin a plus b can be further reduced in the first, as the first formula is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and cos a plus b can be further reduced as in this way: cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now this full figure also changed into 10 in the form of 10a and 10b. So you have to divide the numerator and the denominator by cos a cos b. Then we will have, if we divide the numerator by cos a cos b, then we will get here 10a cos b cancel each other, and here sin b cos a cancel each other, so we will get 10b. Here we will get cos a and cos a cancel each other, cos b cancel each other, so we will get 1. And here sin a by cos a will be 10a, and sin b by cos b will be 10b. So this is the formula of 10a plus b, 10a plus 10b by 1 minus 10a 10b. Now what will be the value of 10a minus b? So this can be further written down in this way: 10a plus minus b. This can be written down in this way: 10a plus 10 minus b, 1 minus 10a 10 minus b. This implies that 10a minus b is equal to, in fourth quadrant, 10 minus b is negative, so minus 10b will be, so this will be 10a minus 10b, and here it will be negative sign, positive sign. This will be 1 plus 10a 10b. This is another form of this formula: 10a plus b. 10a minus b is equal to 10a minus 10b, 1 plus 10a 10b. Now if we wish to find out tan 2 theta, then what its value will be? So we'll put again a is equal to theta and b is equal to theta. Then we will get 10. In this third formula, we will get tan theta plus theta. This will be tan theta plus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta multiply tan theta. So this will be 2 tan theta, 1 minus tan square theta. So this is the formula of tan 2 theta, which is 2 tan theta 1 by 1 minus tan square theta. So in this way we can find out cos a plus b also. Cot a plus b. Cot a plus b will be 1 by tan a plus b, which will be tan a plus b. We know that this is 1 by tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So if we rearrange this, this will be 1 minus tan a tan b by tan a plus tan b. Now tan a tan b are replaced by cot a cot b. So it will be 1 minus 1 by cot a multiply 1 by cot b. This will be 1 by cot a plus 1 by cot b. So if we take the denominators as LCM, this will be cot a cot b minus 1, and here it will be cot a plus cot b. By solving this, we will get this cot a multiply cot B minus what? Cot A plus cot B. So cot A minus B will be in fourth quadrant. Again cot is also negative. So this will be minus cot A cot B minus 1 cot A minus cot B. So you have to remember this to solve any problems. So cot 2 theta, what will be cot 2 theta? Cot 2 theta will be cot square theta minus 1 cot theta multiply cot theta, cot square theta minus 1, and here will be 2 cot theta Now in this way we can find out sec A plus B which will be 1 by cos A plus B so this will be 1 by cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now if we further divide it by, I will first transform it into tan A tan B by dividing cos A cos B. Then this will be cos A cos B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Now I will try to transform it into sec. So this will be 1 by sec A sec B and under bracket 1 minus under root over, I am writing here under root over 1 minus sec square A minus 1 multiply sec square B minus 1. So this will be sec A plus B, some hard form, but this will be the form. And if we try to find out cos sec A plus B, this will be 1 by sin A plus B. This will be 1 by sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So if we divide by it as cos square A by cos square B, we divide it by sin square A sin square B, then it will be 1 by sin A sin B, then it will be cos b by sin b will be cot b plus this will be cot a. So this will be cosec, and here we can write down this will be cosec a multiply cosec b, and this will be under bracket cot b is equal to under root over cosec square b minus 1 plus under bracket cosec square a minus 1. So this is also another form. Now we have sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and sin a minus b, we know that this is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So if we add up this, so this will cancel each other, so we'll have sin a plus b plus sin a minus b is equal to 2 into sin a cos b. Now if we replace a plus b by c and a minus b by d, then c plus d will be a plus b plus a minus b will be 2a. So a will be c plus d by 2, and c minus d, if we wish to know, this will be 2b. So b will be c minus d by 2. So if we rearrange this, this will be 2 into sin this will be sin c plus sin t is equal to 2 into sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. In this way you can find out, you know that cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, and cos a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Now if we add up this will be cos a plus b plus cos a minus b equal to 2 into cos A cos B. Again we replace this by C and this by D. Then we will have cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 into cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. If we subtract this, not adding up, but subtract this, then this will be cos A minus B, A plus B minus cos A minus B is equal to, then this will vanishes, we will have 2 into sin A sin B. There will be a minus sign, and if you take this first and this later, then here it will be the negative sign, here it will be the positive sign, then it will be positive. And if you take this is D, this is C, then it will be cos D minus cos C. Or we are taking this is C. No, this is D, this is C, this is D. Then this will be, there will be C plus D is equal to 2A. So implies that A is equal to C plus D by 2 and C minus D. So this will be minus 2B, and this will be B is equal to D minus C by 2. So we will have overall cos C minus cos D is equal to 2 into sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. So in this way we have find out that sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 into sin, we have already established, C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. If we replace D by minus C minus D, D is replaced by minus D, then this will be sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 into sin C minus D by 2 into cos C plus D by 2, or we can write down 2 into cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So these are the important formulas we have to remember to solve higher trigonometry. If you like these videos, then like, share with your friends, and if you are not subscribed, then subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.